Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this emo hair look on Dress to Impress. Super easy to create as well. If you go to bangs, select this hair, and we're going to color everything this color. You don't have to color it the same way as me, but this is just how I'm going to color it. It is CD 5A and 18. I'm just going to save that. So we want this kind of like paramour look, I guess. Then go to the mask section and we're going to get, I think it's this hair in that color as well. Then we're going to go to bangs. We're going to grab this one in that same hair color. Then we're going to go to feminine and we're going to select this hair. I can just find it. Hello, where is it? It's like the Karen hair. Is it in mask section? Oh, okay, it is. It's this one. Sorry, my bad. And then we're just going to go to bangs and we're going to grab this one in orange. And that is pretty much it. You can color it to, again, whatever color you want. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.